Today I'll show you how to drain out coolant completely from your engine. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. I've noticed hidden leaks under this hose, by the way. Consider this for a moment, why you want to drain out your coolant. I personally want to check this radiator. A little bit coolant was lost, but it present at level nonetheless. So engine compartment can be saturated with vapor, but you're not too demanding for all stuff. Also, really important for which period of time was intended your coolant. You're judging about cooling system condition, and if you're focused solely on outside condition, not good idea. You also want to look inside. As you might have realized by now, here is a seepage from somewhere and I can't realize from where exactly. Each leakage, even small, can cause deviation. So we want to drain out coolant. And first I want to disconnect lower hose. Here is simple slot screwdriver. I want access. Engine shakes and it's a little jarring. So you always notice when head gasket blown. It overheats not just because of small leakages, but loss of pressure. Or you just lose it and swing it out. So you disconnect the hose and you anticipate that all coolant goes out. But not all in reality. Now, somehow we need to get this access to disconnect hose. If you want, you can open a radiator coolant filling cap. Coolant will easily go out. If you want to empty expansion tank cap, you just disconnect it and pour out coolant. Besides which, you want to drain out coolant from engine block. Most volume goes out from radiator, yes. It drains out pretty nimble, but you want to drain out coolant completely, and I'm all for that. And something tells you that here on the block should be special valve to drain out coolant from the block. And I think so good that engine bay not stuffed with a lot of crap. So, as you guess, story doesn't end there. And we want to get working access. Drain tap located on the right hand side of the engine. There is a rest of coolant inside the block. What we all aware of. But how to reach this facet? Oh, our engine featured longitudinally, not like in front-wheel drive transverse engine. Access more better. Good working access for all engine. And keep in mind that these liquids are really harmful, dangerous for pets, for cats, and you don't want inhale vapors. You open it more to get flow dilation. So we can tinkering a radiator without coolant. So you can drain out coolant easily, nothing daunting. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay cool, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.